Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Open settings and check battery health and recent usage so you know the baseline. Once done, update Realme UI and all apps to get battery-related bug fixes. Updates often resolve stealth drains. Make sure to toggle off radios you don't need, Bluetooth, NFC, and GPS, because background scans constantly consume power. Doing these first gives you measurable improvements and prevents chasing phantom problems later. Now you dig into app and system settings. Use battery optimization to restrict background activity for offenders and force stop misbehaving apps. This cuts wake events and CPU use. Next, inspect wake locks with developer options or the battery graph to find apps keeping the device awake, and uninstall or replace persistent culprits. Also enable dark mode and lower the screen refresh rate to 60 Hz where possible, because display power is the single largest consumer, and these steps directly reduce screen draw. To finish, calibrate the battery by letting the phone discharge to shut down and then charge uninterrupted to 100% to correct reporting. This doesn't fix hardware, but often stabilizes readings. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset. A clean install removes corrupted system states and rogue apps. If drain remains after reset, make sure to contact Realme support or seek a warranty battery replacement, because persistent high drain frequently indicates a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.